Are you passionate about agriculture? Do you want to tap into the wholesale market and help bring fresh produce to retailers, restaurants, and markets? Starting an agriculture produce wholesale shop can be a creative venture. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to start your own agriculture wholesale business. Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more business ideas and tips. Today we are diving into the essentials of starting an agricultural produce wholesale shop. Step one, before you start, it's important to research the market. What type of produce is in demand in your area? Are there gaps in the supply chain? Do you want to specialize in a specific category like grains, tropical fruits, or veggies? Identifying your niche will help you focus your efforts. Step number 2, create a business plan. Next step is creating a business plan. This is your roadmap for success. Your plan should outline key details such as the type of produce you'll be selling, your target market, supply relationships, storage and transportation needs, marketing strategies, financial projections and startup costs. A well-thought-out plan will help you stay organized and attract investors or secure loans in future if need be. Step number 3, find reliable suppliers. To run a successful wholesale business, you need reliable suppliers. Build relationship with local farmers or large-scale producers. Ensure the quality of the produce is consistent and discuss pricing, delivery schedules, and payment terms. Make sure you establish trust with your suppliers. It's important to have a reliable source to avoid running out of stock or compromising on quality. Step number 4, set up your distribution and storage. Now let's talk about logistics. A good wholesale operation needs efficient storage and distribution systems. You will need a warehouse space with time as the business grows to store the produce and temperature controlled facilities if you deal with perishable items. Step number 5, build relationships with retailers and buyers. Your wholesale shop needs buyers. Reach out to grocery stores, supermarkets, restaurants, and even farmers markets. Network and build strong relationships with your customers. Offer them competitive prices and reliable services. Remember, customer service and reliability are key. If buyers can depend on you to deliver quality produce consistently, you will gain repeat business and referrals. Step number 6, obtain necessary licenses and permits. Before you start selling, check the legal requirements in your area. You will need business licenses, food safety certificates, etc. Make sure to comply with the regulations to avoid any legal issues. Step number 7, marketing your wholesale business. Once your shop is set up, it's time to market your business. Use social media to showcase your products, highlight the quality of your products. You can also attend industry events, trade shows, or offer promotions to attract new customers. Remember, word of mouth and building a good reputation are priceless marketing tools in the agricultural wholesale industry. Step number 8, manage finances and monitor growth. Finally, keep a close eye on your finances. Track your expenses, revenues, and profits carefully. Make sure you monitor stock levels and ensure you're not over-purchasing or understocking. As the business grows, invest in tools that can help automate your process. Effective financial management is crucial for sustainability. This will allow you to scale up and expand your business over time. There you have it, your step-by-step guide to starting an agriculture produce wholesale shop. It takes hard work and dedication, but with the right strategies, your business can thrive and grow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful business tips and ideas. interested in learning more, check out my other videos. See you next time. Bye bye.